Hi guys, welcome back to another card magic tutorial, and in this tutorial you will be learning a really nice intermediate magic trick that is called the reverse change by Jack Nobile, and it's a really nice trick to do, and once you learn it and practice a few times you can make this your go-to trick because it is impromptu and amazing. So first check out how this trick looks like, and if you enjoyed the trick then please stick around for the tutorial. Let's enjoy the performance. Alright guys, as you can see that I've got a normal deck of playing cards right over here, and I'm gonna have my spectator pick any card from the whole deck. So let's say the spectator picked, in this case, this one right over here. So this is the card the spectator picked, and I'm gonna show them the card and I'm not gonna see it, and I'm gonna also put that up on the screen somewhere just so that they don't forget it. Alright, so now I'm gonna take the card and I'm gonna lose it somewhere around the center of the deck, just like so, and I don't know where it is right now. Alright, so now just a last shuffle, just like so. Alright, at this point what's gonna happen is, as you can see that the card is not on the top and also not on the bottom. Okay, now I'm gonna have my spectator just say a random number between 1 and 10, and let's say the spectator said the number 7. So I'm gonna take out the 7th card from the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this is the 7th card. So now the 7th card is the 3 of spades, and it was a random and free selection. Now I'm going to take this 3 of spades and I'll lose it somewhere in the center, but I'm going to reverse it, okay? So now it's the only card reversed in the center of the deck. Just put that anywhere in the center of the deck. Now, at this point, as you can see that the random card is nowhere near the bottom and it's also nowhere near the top, okay? So now watch, if I just go ahead and find our reversed random card over here, and it's the only reversed card as I told you in the deck, as you can see, and I just take it out and just shake it, it changes into your freely selected card, the Queen of Hearts. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the trick right there, and now you're gonna learn how to do that trick. Alright, so this trick is intermediate, but you have to just keep track of some steps, because when I was learning this trick I used to forget the steps, so please pay attention while I teach the trick. Alright, so now what's gonna happen is, first of all, this is an impromptu trick, so you can have the spectator shuffle the deck as much as they want to, and once they're satisfied you're gonna have them choose any card from the whole deck. So in this case this is the card and it is the 3 of hearts. So now what's gonna happen is, you're gonna take the 3 and you're gonna place it second from the bottom, from the top, okay? So to do that you can do a Herman pass and many other things, but the easiest and the best way to do it is the Marlo Tilt, okay? So if you don't know how to do the Marlo Tilt, just go over here and learn that right now. So you just take it and you do the Marlo Tilt, and you just place it second from the top of the deck, and from this angle they can't actually see that it's going here. You can also just push the cards first from the center, just to give the illusion that you're placing it in the center, and then just place it second from the top, and you are done. So now the card is second from the top, as you can see. So now at this point what's gonna happen is, you're gonna be saying that the card is not on the top, and you show the top card, and while they're seeing the top card, just take this hand and get a push off pinky break above the top card, okay? So you just get a push off pinky break, and then you're gonna be placing this right on top of the pinky break, okay? And then you're gonna say that it's not on the top, and then you lift both the cards, okay? Just like so. Then you flip the deck over and show them that it's not on the bottom. Then you just place this card right over here, okay? So you first show them that it's not on the top and just grab pinky break above the top card, their selection. Then you take both of the cards and place them on the bottom. Alright, so now once you have done that step, you're gonna be just giving the deck a card to reverse the card and get that lost somewhere in the center of the deck. Like that, okay? So now the card is somewhere lost in the center of the deck. And now what's gonna happen is, you're gonna have them pick a random card, and it can be really a random card. So just have them say the number they like between 1 and 10, okay? because if you have them pick a high number, there is a chance that you may land on your selected card. Alright, so now let's say the number 5. So you're gonna take out the 5th card. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th card. So now the 5th card in this case is the Queen of Clubs. Now at this point, what you're gonna do here is you're gonna flip the deck over and you're gonna say that I'm gonna reverse it and keep the card in the center. And while saying this, you can just catch a pinky break again on the bottom card, and you're gonna do a Marlo Tilt once again. So just flip it over and do a Marlo Tilt like that once again, and just push it in. Alright, so now once you have done that, here is the essential step to flip the card back over. Okay, so you just first catch a pinky break above the bottom 2 cards, the random card and this one on the bottom, and just lift them up. I'm going to show them that it is nowhere near the bottom cards. And you square this up, flip the deck over and show them the top card and show them it's not on the top. So now the card is lost somewhere in the center, but actually you have just flipped the card back over like so. Alright, so now at this point, what you're going to do here is you just want to say that, so now let's find the reversed card, and you're going to just find the reverse card in the deck, which is their selection. So it's a really smart trick. Then you show them that it is the only reverse card in the entire deck, and it is their selected card, the 3 of Hearts. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I do hope that you learned something. And if you did, then please drop a like on this video and subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you guys on my next video. Till then, goodbye, take care.